Yes. I'll try to show you how to use Kahoot in 1 minute, hopefully. I write Kahoot on Google, click on the first one, kahoot.com. I log in. I click on Discover, find the worksheet, basic vocabulary, or any topic that you like to work on. You choose one. You can check the view and play numbers to see if it's a useful one or a rubbish one. Here you can see the details. If you want to use it, you click on play. You click on assign. We have a challenge, but I want to create a new one. Create new. We set a deadline for students to complete it. If you want timer to put more pressure, you keep this on. If you want to make it more like a practice, you can turn the timer off. You can create it. And after you create it, you see this screen, the details of the challenge and the copy URL. You can copy this one and paste it anywhere that you can send it to students, or you click on Teams or Google Classroom. We have Google Classroom there as well. And you can share it to a channel or create an assignment. If it's an assignment, you choose your group, you add your title, lesson 18. Today was our 18th class with this group, and add the due date, and then assign. It is sent to your Microsoft Teams classroom, and they can click and they can do it themselves. So also you can also see the players and their final scores and summary and everything. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.